killed the people, rumors slaughtered the people. But at this time, resources are there, technology is there, everything is there at our home. But still, we are just what we are doing. We want to go in a party. We want to just eat the pizza, burger. Well, a very tantalizing, exquisite good evening to everybody, as it's a very red letter day for the Arcus Crappers Academy, and to celebrate it, we are gonna do this debate based on the traditional values versus the modern values. Let's see what is gonna happen in this debate. And first of all, I'll have to just explain here, inculcate you some basic thing all about the traditional and the modern ones. So this team, as you're gonna see here, is all about the modern values, and they'll explain about the modern values and even so many things and in an illustrated way. Whereas we'll talk about the traditional values, and I'm gonna begin with the mind of the side. So let's begin, and I have first of all many of the examples. One of them is that you illustrate better. I would like to take the example of the South Africa only, and I would just try to explain you all about the logical ways of using the examples. As you know that in South Africa, the president of the South Africa is Nelson Mandela. And do you know one fact as a trivia time? But I would like to tell you as a one thing that the president of the Nelson Mandela, who is the president, he was immune in the 1962 when the racial discriminations were going on. But the thing was that he just tried to attempt the overthrow of the government, and in this thing he went inside the jail. But he tried miscellaneous kinds of ways and even so many practices or the exercises to just gain the independence for the South Africa. Isn't it wow, what amazing? And we must be amazed of seeing it all. And I would just explain you all that from this example that the traditional period time, at that timeline, people were self-stable, they were self-dependent, and more than the self-advocate and even the self-sufficient. And even they were never be like a hopeless or being cried, because all the kings who have been defeated, they even try to the last corner of the level. So this is my example, and that's all.
So I am also having something great for you. Actually, what you were saying, you were telling us about the Nelson Mandela. What he did, he finished the discrimination. That also comes in the traditional only, miss. What it happens in our life that we all think that what is traditional. Traditional is what old things which used to happen. So he also wanted to come in the modern values only. All the things what he did, those all things come under modern things only. Now you are watching light, projector, speaker, all these things are modern. Means we have to live in modern, and how the modern will grow, we will have to grow with that. And if we will not grow, we will not be able to live in our life. We have to leave the traditional values, and we will have to come in the modern.
Well, one second, Ranveer, let me just conclude it with a very better way. As you are talking all about that every person should live in a very modern, nice way and in a standardized way. So I don't think so, because the main thing is that the main propaganda was to just finish the discrimination, to just abolish the discrimination, racial discrimination going very badly in a brutality manner in the South Africa. And I guess that in such a time period today we have such resources, such all facilities, so much fascinating, right? But at that time they were not such like thing, and that's why it's like so much big thing or a big kind of success achieved by the Nelson Mandela and even by the South African black people, also known as the Africans. So I just want to tell you that in the traditional time, people were self-sufficient. Even they did not want it like that, I want the resources, without resources nothing would happen. No, they just wanted to just live a life in their own manner. And today we have the resources, still the works have been done, but we use sometimes the wrong way, the wrong thing of it. So what would you like to talk about it?
Actually, what you are saying, you also know about this. What you are saying, you are.
Very well, therefore
Let me speak first. You are talking all about the traditional thing. He finished the traditional things only. First you need to read in the book. That was the traditional things what was going on in the Africa, and he brought the modern things. That's why now the Africa has been grown too much. Now you can also watch.
Yes, I know very well, but at that time it was a great achievement, and more than it, as you are talking about that, he just brought everything, he just flourished everything in the modernized way, right? But the thing is that when he did, after all, there's so many traditional things still remain or still be preserved today also in South Africa, and I am having so many examples of it.
So I also want to share my some thoughts about a given topic, means a given debate that was about a modern values versus the traditional values. So as per me, if you are saying that modern things just like the light, tube light, this is of no use and you can't use it in a good way. So as per me, if the modern values, if you will finish all the things that has been made after the 90s, means in the 1900, after it the thing that is made, so also the half of the earth and half of the human will not be able to survive nicely. As a cell phones and many of the person, if many of the person will not be able to live without the cell phone this time. If only one day we are not able to get the Geo network from the Geo tower, so at that time we are saying so many things to Geo, we are saying so many abuses and so many abusing things to Geo. But why we are not understanding that previous time when at the traditional time there were nothing. So as per me, the modern time, the messages are.
Traditional period, let me tell you. You are saying that before a time, 50 of the percent population, that was time. I don't think about it. Before time, in the traditional period timing, at that time people used to live 200 years. But now this timing, what is the maximum age? Do you know? Only 125 years. How it happened? Due to only the modern things. You here we are talking about modern values, but you are relating it with the technology. So let me also share with these all the things. Today technology is getting progress very nicely, but technology is also making the people lazy. Before timing, people used to actually send some letters, and they used to share their feelings also. But due to the mobiles, due to the Geo, due to your Geo, due to your calling, due to your true callers, your Xander, people have forgotten everything. People have forgotten their own feelings also. What do you want to say about it? People have forgotten everything.
Why do you not use the technology? Today's technology are not using. You are using because you know that it is helpful for us and it is giving us many facilities to us. That's why we are using. If you think that it is not a good and it is making us lazy, so that timing I think that you are wrong. Because if you are talking about the tradition timing, so that timing what happened, as I told, that letter was sending. So but also many times midway, in the midway, maybe that letter not sent. He didn't get the message. He didn't know that what happened into the home. So I think that today's technology, today's modern values has made our life very efficient and very good.
Okay, I would like to say something on your topic that before some days the Geo having some problem with the network problem and the messages were not sending, even the net or everything is not working in the mobile, all the network has gone. So now how will you, if you want to go to the hospital and if you want to call to your mother from another home, so how will you do that? Didi, and that it is a simple way, we will use the Airtel SIM. And
Wait. It is very easy to change the number and wait, please listen my talks. It is very easy that someone has taken any number, he has actually made all the groups of their school also, important document also, and suddenly when Geo couldn't work, so just you change the SIM, you kept it in the Deloitte or Idea, and you're operating the Idea SIM, you're operating the new number. Yes.
So
Did you do this? Did you do this? Firstly, did you do this? Your teacher actually had taken your number and they actually have kept you in a group also, WhatsApp group. Now if you will change the number, so what will happen at that time?
As per me, it doesn't happen. As also in the net, I read that without changing the number, we can change the SIM type. We can change the SIM type.
We need to have take
Well, I am having a very example for this, and I would like to just give a great example of the Great Pyramid of the Giza. As you are talking about the technology, well, this example will just, I think, have a logical reason. Do you know that the Great Pyramid of the Giza is 4,500 years ago with the height of the 481 feet? And that time, actually, there was only the one metal known as the copper, which is a very soft metal. And to just make you all amazed and to stuck at a point, that time there was no any cranes or high feet like today we have so many technologies very high, machineries and heavy machineries are there, people are there, laboring is there. That time laboring was there, but machines not at all. But still it was possible to make the Great Pyramid of the Giza, and still it is facing the wrath of the time, and all the 7 wonders were fallen down, but one of them, the Great Pyramid of the Giza, is still stand and is just facing the wrath of the time. So isn't it amazing? Isn't it just like wow? And as you are talking about the technology, so well, technologies doesn't all time matter. You must know how to use it, and at that time people were having a monomaniacal mind to just use how the resources, whatever the resources they were having, to just use it in a very perfect manner, and that was labelized.
I want to ask a small question. Anshika Didi, I want to ask a very small small question. In the woman empowerment debate, where many people were there, at that time you only said that the traditional way this was a very bad thing. That if a man died, so her wife has to go into the fire. So it is good for the human.
Careful. It was not correct. King didn't say about it. Do you know? Only the people who were actually located in that village,
Yes.
who used to think that they are the head.
Bhaiya, so means you prove that we need the rules, we need the constitution.
Yeah.
So this time after the independence only we got the constitution. So it is also
But
included
in
in
this
the
timing,
order.
actually, people have forgotten everything. Traditional values. Traditional values actually are explaining to us about the relationship.
Yes,
But
it
modern
does.
values
The
are making
rules are the
part of the
things.
people's. Traditional values are explaining to us to respect the people.
How can you say the traditional values, just like if you will take the example of the Green Revolution which was done in the 1960s. So at that time what happened that the Punjab and Haryana cities are there. So there only wheat can be grown, but due to the Green Revolution we can also grow now the rice.
Only for
What can you
only
say
near
about-
about 100 of the people will traditional value be destroyed. Now in this period, modern value timing, each day 4 rape cases are coming. 4 rape cases each day are coming. So will you make it wrong? Tell me. You all tell me.
So guys, as per me, traditional values is all about that sense of a responsibility towards our family, or as per as about parents. But what is happening now this timing, due to the technology or many of the things, we have just go too much far from our family. We are not getting our time for spending with them. We are just using the gadgets. We are involved in it. Even we are not using it in a right way also. That many of the person they are using it in a very wrong way, and it can also destroy our health also. It is affecting our health also. But still we are using these things. And plus we are saying that the modern technology is too much good, but friends, this is good, it can help us, but friends, there are many of the disadvantages also, so we cannot say that it is right or wrong. As for me friends, the traditional value is very nice things to which we must follow. We should never forget it anytime.
Bhaiya, as you are talking, means as you ask the question that all means now our timing, the cases, rape cases are increasing. So Bhaiya, I think that before the timing it was also used to happen, but that timing social media was not there. That's why people don't know. We didn't used to know, but now there is social media, there is technology. That's why we are getting.
Traditional period are explaining to us to respect of the women. So you know, traditional period explains to us to respect of our parents. But modern period is saying
I'm having a
to us,
question for you
friendship
all.
with your
I'm
parents.
having the question for my opposition party. Let me think the way.
In the traditional timing, the women are not getting the right to vote and right to read, and still now this time in the mosque, the women are not able to go. So
I think
what
there was
are you
gender
talking about?
inequality in the past. Then how can you say that traditional values they were good? Women were just opposed to do everything. They were not allowed to go to the school. They were not allowed to study. So how it is good?
I have the answer of this question. I have the answer. Before timing, actually, women did not used to get any rights. Yes, na, women used to actually get it right. So let me tell you, before timing also, in the traditional period timing also, women used to get actually the place of the God also. This timing also, women is getting the place of the God. At that timing also, she used to get. Today in this timing, if a woman is get 80% in 10th examination, so she can get a job very easily. But what about the boys? Do you know? In this timing, girls, very easily, single girl child, she will get the scholarship. Mainly sometimes no fees in the school, no fees in this university. This is modern period timing. Do you know about it? Tell me these things.
Then I'm having a question for you all. Let me first ask this
That's
question.
all happening because the government wants to uplift those people who couldn't do something in the past. Because
So
you
why
all,
are they not
you all,
making people equal? Why are they not actually only giving rights to the girls? You are saying that girls didn't used to get any rights.
you have
you
all-
all the traditional people they oppress to the women. So how they will get the opportunity
They
to?
oppress to the
That's
women.
why only
Okay,
government
All
is
are
struggling.
just taking
But they
one of the
also-
top. Let me first ask the question, and that will even make you something all about. So what about the Adolf Hitler? As we all know very well that he's a brutality king and or a person who just killed the 70 lakh Jews in the Holocaust, and at that time atrocities were perpetrated on the many of the Jews. And at that time, do you know one of the girl, Anne Frank, at the age of 15, she just took a last breath and she wrote a diary or a book in which she wrote all that thing happened, all the atrocities were done on the Jews. So what would like to tell about this thing that this Adolf Hitler was just doing the brutality, and even at that time still the Anne Frank did and just was so much hope, and she was so much powerful, and even she was so robust at that time.
So what do you want to do us? When I will become Prime Minister, I will kill lakh people. What do you want to say? No. Listen out this thing. You are saying
You have taken these things in a wrong way.
No.
What she
You are
wants to
not
explain,
saying.
you are not understanding carefully.
I understood. She was talking actually in a person. Two things are there: good things, bad things. But we have to watch the both things.
Depends from your face. It
Depends
depends
on
by your
your
behavior. Are you a good boy or you a bad
So
boy?
what is my
I'm just
bad?
talking
How come in the
about the
camera?
Anne Frank.
It will not be
I'm
proved
just
in the
about
camera that you are a good boy, and it will not be proved in the camera that you are a good boy. And after becoming a prime minister, wait. After becoming a prime minister, you will become
Well, my
a good person.
conclusion is just that.
It was a traditional time, you know. Hitler was in a traditional time, and we are living in a modern time. And no any prime minister or no any king can do like the Hitler. So we are living in the.
No, my point is just totally different from all other things. My point is just that the Anne Frank, she at that time when everyone was just there, the death and the only angerness everywhere, only sadness was there. But still, at the traditional time, people stand for their own protection, for their own rights. Either it's going in a mass mobilization or in any format. Still, the Anne Frank was in a very hopeful, robust, and so much bizarre. She tried her well to just make the people aware about such thing, about such whole case, about the condition done in the by the Adolf Hitler. So I just want to explain you, but you all are taking at the other conclusions that you all
Okay.
You have spoken.
Wait.
You have spoken. Whatever he want to say, yes.
Yes, I want to say. Firstly, I would like to ask a question that we are discussing or debating. We are debating, but we have to support to each other because both. I think that both topics are related to each other. Am I right? So we have to work. We have to work together because the traditional is traditional, and the modern thing is the expensive form of the traditional value. So I think that the traditional thing is base and the modern thing is the building. So we everything is that everything
Bhaiya?
anything cannot be finished at all in itself.
How can you say that traditional values are base? How can you say that traditional values are base? Wait. Traditional values. Do you know about the traditional values? Traditional in the previous timing, traditional value means traditional timing. Lord Ram timing, Lord Krishna's timing. Lord Ram, what he explained to us. Lord Krishna, what he explained to us. Respect of our parents, respect of our everyone, respect of your friends also. But modern timing, what is going on? We are actually speaking here about parents, but we are making
So means that Bhaiya, you want to say that you are not respecting to your parents, not
As you are also belonging to the modern.
this to your life.
At this time, in the lockdown time, we know very well
of
that
our parents only the basis of the traditional value means we are applying now this timing the traditional value that is only the we are respecting of our parents, and beside it anything more, because now what happens that only as the many of our friends said that now we are spending our more of the times in the mobiles, now we are not giving the times to our parents.
yes,
So
I
how
would
it is
like to just share one more example of it. In the lockdown, as we know very well that all the people are together in the home, but still many children are just with phones, with their laptops, with their all electronic gadgets. Nobody wanna spend the time with their family members. Family members are just their time in the dinner table, so they are in a very much close, but still they are just looking after in the phone and just in the laptop. So what's going on? Is it a value? Is it no anything?
Small thing that in the lockdown who handle the our classes of the school, only the modern technology means the Byju's classes are done
Okay. So let me also tell you. If the people, wait. Before timing, people used to listen every talk of their teacher. People used to respect their teacher. People used to also understand that how they are giving in their mouth. Wait. Firstly, let me clear my talk. Let me clear. Before timing, no pollution. Before timing, people used to wash their hands very carefully. They used to wash their face also. And if these things could be done previously, this timing COVID-19 pandemic could not have come. But in the modern period timing, it made totally in the modern period timing, it made only total light pollution. It made total light pollution.
You are saying about the COVID-19 pandemic. So as per me, today also the COVID-19 pandemic will be going on. If the
Before timing, there was no such a thing.
if the vaccination would have not done today also.
So let me tell you one more thing.
please keep quiet.
I would like to say vaccination and you are talking. If COVID-19 COVID-19 pandemic could not have come, so how vaccination will come? It could not, COVID-19 pandemic could not have come so good.
What will you say when there was a before timing, but there was also some
Which kind of pandemic? Tell me the name. Which kind of?
Spanish flu. You didn't know about the Spanish flu that come in the 1920s and more than 1 lakh people died.
People tried, and the bubonic plague time when the Black Death came, rumors created everything. Rumors just killed the people. Rumors slaughtered the people. But at this time, resources are there, technology is there, everything is there at our home. But still, we are just what we are doing. We are want to go in a party. We want to just eat the pizza, burger.
If the earthquake is coming, if a flood is coming, so at that time we are able to know without with the technology only that earthquake is going to come. That's why we are able to prepare ourselves. Otherwise, we will die today also.
As we are coming, so at that time,
Let me give the answer. Let me talk with you all. My all dear friends, you are not understanding why earthquake is coming, why tsunami is coming, why thunderstorm is coming. Only due to the pollution. Do you know how earthquake comes?
What will happen?
When the parallel place under the land, when the parallel
Please keep quiet. I am
under the land,
Will you keep quiet? I would like to say something. If you want to gain something, you have to lose something in your life. This is happening. If that is traditional war, why are you wearing that? What is the reason behind wearing that?
It is traditional war.
It is a modern war.
Please keep quiet.
Okay.
Now
In the previous timing, people didn't used to actually have these watches, and they used to watch the timing by the sun. By the sun, they used to watch.
Without the technology.
Wait, so as Ranveer, you said that watch is a modern thing. So I would like to ask with you that do you serve your parents?
Of course, why not?
So you are following a tradition thing. It's a very old thing, and our family member, they also follow all types of things. So that is the tradition, and we are worshipping of God. So even this thing is also tradition. And if we are following our religious, so it's also our tradition. So
Bhaiya, I would like to give the answer of you as you told that we are serving of our parents because it is the tradition. But according to me, modern doesn't stop to us to serving of our parents. Modern didn't tell that we don't have respect of parents. It is depend on us. It is depend on our agreements that we are serving our parents because it is our duty. It should be done by us. It's not means that we don't have to.
And I would like to tell that there if you will watch something that in traditional time there mostly person they did not get their hairs white, but today we will watch to every person so they are getting their hairs white. So it is because of technology, means they are just using a chemical, and before time there we did not used to just think, and there we used to just use the natural things.
Well, yes, what would you like to tell all about today? We are having the healthy diet. You know that all the celebrities, they eat the good food, so they become healthy. But today are we not eating the good food? We are eating. But actually what is happening? We just don't want to follow the rules. I mean, at this time, modern period is not that much valuable to all the people. So what would you like to speak about it?
In the past timing, as the Vijay said, that everyone knew that how to wash their hand properly. But in the past timing, the hygiene was not too good, and during the developing period, the doctors and the hospitals and the medical science has reached at the top, and that's why we are getting the medical facilities.
Okay. Let me talk about the traditional things and the modern things. You are saying about the doctors now, so let me convert it with the pregnancy of a lady. Before timing, when a lady used to be pregnant, so on that time she used to get a normal delivery. But in this modern period timing, every lady is getting actually the operational delivery. Do you know about it? Wait. Every hospital is only earning money.
It is not related to the technology. It is related to the money and the corruption. It depends on the person.
I also want to
Question.
I want to say you a small thing that as the previous time you all know that the one scientist told us that the earth is flat. As you all know that yes. So this time how we know that the earth is round? By the satellite. What is satellite? Modern values. So how can you say that modern values is
the
flat?
answer of your question. As you know that Albert Einstein theory, then the Thomas Alva Edison, and then even the Isaac Newton, and even so many great scientists, they came. Galileo, all these scientists gave the so many theories like relativity and so many other theories. So means in their traditional times, all scientists, great scientists gave these theories, and because of that only we are knowing that today the earth is actually spherical. Otherwise we would not have
you are saying the great thing that those all people give this much big theory, but nowadays what we need to do, we need to improve those things. We need to do much better. He just invented one.
Means you want to use the shortcut way, na? You want to use the shortcut way.
Wait, bro, I am saying something. So as he made one yellow color bulb, so why did you make these types of white bulb? We need to come in the modern. There is nothing in the traditional.
Why we need to come in the modern? We are coming in the modern. Okay, no problem. But we need not to forget about the traditional values also. Having come in the modern, we are forgetting all the things about the past also.
What happened? We are following our traditional values.
We have forgotten our whole stamina.
It is the result of hard work. It is the result of hard work.
And yes, sir, it is also hard work.
Whatever you are wearing this time, this is also the cloth which is made by the machine. What is a machine? What is a machine? Modern values. And as you are speaking about that in the previous time also, the previous scientist Albert Einstein is Newton gave the. But as per me, this time also the people are giving more theory. As I have told you that previous time they gave the wrong information that Earth is flat. But now we improved it. So modern values is important.
Bhaiya, as you were talking about the cloth, so what do you want to say? At the past time, in the traditional people did not used to wear the cloth.
Didi, so why are you not wearing that is till here means that?
I want to answer your question that in the past time, what was happening during the time of the national movement, there was the khadi clothes, and that was made by the Indian peoples, and that was too costly for making with the handmade clothes. And now this time the machine has come. That's why we are wearing the cotton clothes and the very cheap clothes.
Let me finish these talks. Modern gave us everything. Modern tools gave us everything. But modern tools actually couldn't explain to us how to do the plantation. This timing, population is increasing very nicely. But people, during this timing, no one is actually forgetting about the life. They are actually forgetting about everything.
So numbers were invented by the Aryabhat, and the first number 0 was invented by the Aryabhat only. If at that time, traditional time, the number 0 was not invented, I don't think so that rational number, trigonometry or such kind of mathematics subject would not be even existed. That means the people would not
If you are saying about the clothes, so at the traditional time, what they used to do? They used to cut the skin of the animals. So, I want to. Please let me finish. Please let me finish.
Fashion also it is going on.
Please let me finish my words. Please let me finish my words. As if you are saying that because of the traditional machines, the animals are killing. So previous time we are using the skin of the animals. At that time the animals were killing. So what do you want to explain?
Like the animals like the monkey. We were at the first monkeys only, right? And we got evolved. That means the monkey, if I'll tell that monkey, can you wear this clothes or can you make the clothes? They're not able because they don't have that IQ. That time our IQ was even not that much to make such things. So even to just do such things.
Yes. That monkey came in the modern, na? You want to say? You said this. He came in the modern. So same thing. Listen first. Listen. What I want to say that you said that those monkeys were not having the education. They were not having anything. Due to which what did happen? They were not knowing about any types of things. But now we begin to know because we came in the modern world.
So we came in the modern world. After coming in the modern world, we are doing the crime also. Modern people in this time, crime cases are also increasing too much.
And actually that we will talk about is that according to a time their needs are just growing. So on a time their technology is growing, and also that according to a time we are just searching about things, and that time we are just doing.
And I want to say about this, as you are all are saying that modern period is not good, traditional thing, everything was good. So I want to ask that parda system, dowry system, is it all right? Is it all good? Which already happened from the traditional time.
Okay. Now.
Which system is going on about the half jeans, half clothes, about the girls? Tell me, which is this system? Women wants to wear these clothes, yes, okay. And after going outside, they are saying that we want the protection. What is this? After having wear these small clothes, they are
Answer is
I think that it's their desire. They have the freedom, whatever they want wear the damaged jeans. You can also wear the short
So
clothes.
why are
It's
they
your
saying
choice.
that we want defension? Why they are saying that we want defension from the rapers? Why they want to say these
Maya,
things?
I think that girls also knows that how to defend herself.
Yes,
Okay, so how the cases?
Girls don't know don't want the protection. As per me, the big celebrities just like the Kangana Ranaut, Shilpa Shetty, they only back the protection that we want because the
Finish.
bullet can be fired.
Okay, that
Finish,
present.
finish, finish.